Hi everyone, let's see how to add images to Canva presentation. I'm going to click Elements and I'm going to search for a frame. And here you can see frame and I'm going to click on this and drag and drop here. Here it is. Frame will help us to organize images properly. Now I'm going to click on the elements again and this time I'm going to search for houses. And in this way, I'm going to use the stock images of Canva. I'm going to hit enter to search houses. And here you can see photos. I'm going to click see all. Okay, suppose I liked this photo. So what I'm going to do, just hold it, drag and drop here. And here you can see it automatically fits to the Canva frame. Okay, if you want to edit this, just double click on it. And here you can see the option to adjust the image. I'm going to drag it and position it. Okay, in the same way, you can use your own default images. Okay, let's see how we can do that. I'm going to navigate to another slide. Here I'm going to navigate to this slide and I'm going to delete this image. And this time I'm going to upload my own image. Okay, here you can see uploads. Click uploads and you can see upload files. Click upload files and select your file from your computer. I'm going to select this image, hit open, and my image is uploading to Canva server. And this time again, drag and drop the image on your Canva presentation. And here you can see several handles. And just use this and drag and resize this and resize the image. Okay, here you can see bottom right corner. If you just use this, you can just make your image smaller. Just drag to the bottom, you can make your image bigger. And if you would like to crop your image, just use this handle. Just you can crop your image. If you want, you can create. If you want, you can add border around. Just click over here and drag this and now your image is round. Okay, drag and drop. You can position it anywhere in your Canva presentation. I think this video helped you and don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button.